Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Davida and I do a lot of DIYs, home tours, cooking, chit chat, whatever. So welcome if you're new. To all my subbies, hello, I love you, and we are getting ready for, you know what we're getting ready for? We're getting ready for Christmas in July. And I am so excited about this, you guys. Okay. I'm probably going to do, I don't know, maybe 3, 4 Christmas in July DIYs, because I still want to do a couple DIYs during the holidays. Not sure which ones I'm going to do yet for which, but whatever the case, you're going to see a few. Okay. So, in the printer series, when I showed you how to upload the pictures, I had gone ahead when I was doing the ones for the 4th of July, and I went ahead and I printed out a few. I gotta get Polly, hold on. Come here. She always has to be here when I'm... She always has to be in my lap, and you know who always has to be drinking. But I'm up in my craft room, so there's no water up here, so she's not going to be drinking or eating. Okay, let's get back to it. No, Polly, I can't kiss right now. Lay down. I can't kiss. Lay down. All right, so when I print, and I printed out the 4th of July, I went ahead and started looking, and I looked for, oh, I don't know, a good couple hours, but it was fun because you're seeing all kinds of different pictures. I went ahead and I printed out some Christmas ones as well. So, look, I'm going to show you. I printed out this Santa, and he's an old world Santa, which, if you guys have followed me or looked at any of my Christmas tours, in the past, for the past couple of years, I love Santas. Now I'm starting to like snowmen, but I was always a Santa girl before. And I still have to stay true to, you know, St. Nick. So here's another one that I'm going to do something with. Then, again, because I love vintage, shabby chic, farmhouse, I love it all. There's something I love about most anything. Look, you guys, look. Oh my gosh. And this is just a couple. I mean, I'm telling you, you have a plethora of, look. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, so, I'm going to be doing a couple DIYs with those. Then, I went and at Hobby Lobby, I'm going to be making a couple things out of homespun fabric. Let me show you what I got. Now, one of these were on clearance, and it's the burgundy and cream, and it's the checks, because I'm still going with the farmhouse Christmas this year, and in my living room, I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. It's going to be basically the same. I'm just moving stuff around because I can't afford to buy all new stuff to make it a whole new type of, you know, Christmas every year. So I'm going to tweak things, move them around, and we'll see what we come up with. And then I got these two, and again, when you see me doing it, you're going to see this really up close when I start doing the DIYs, of course. And then some dark green. And I don't know why, but this stuff always reminds me of Little House on the Prairie. I always think of that when I look at this kind of material. And then this, which is more of the cream and the dark brick red. And then here is your traditional red. And I have one, I think the one I'm going to do, my one DIY that I'm going to do just for during the actual holidays, probably the end of November, is really special, and I think you're really, really going to like it. And I'll do it early enough so if you want to try it, you can. And this is another reason I do for Christmas in July. For people that want to make things, you have to start showing this stuff early. If you don't start showing this stuff early, people aren't going to have time to go out and make what they see. And this is why the stores are starting to put out their Christmas stuff a lot earlier. There are a lot of crafters. If they waited to put their stuff out how they used to, there's no way. I mean, I even used to think, again, being a crafter, I know for some people they just can't stand the thought of it when they go into a store and they're just starting summer. I do understand that. I really do. But for people that do crafts for Christmas or make gifts, you know, for Christmas, you have to have this stuff out. You're not going to have time if not, because a lot of people work. They only have weekends or at night. So their time is really limited. So I do understand. I understand both sides. So anyway, the one thing I'm going to make during, probably like I said, I might do it maybe the 3rd week of November, because I really want you guys to have time to get the stuff if you like this, and I know some of you are really, really going to like it. I'll just give you a hint. I had an ornament party one year. I used to have ornament parties every year, and everyone would bring an ornament. And the ornament that I made, I'm not kidding, and I have to say I was very, very proud of this ornament. Everyone fought for it because it's where, you know, you had an ornament and you could take it and, you know, and I think you had 3 go-rounds, and then whatever you had, that was it. That's the one you had to keep. But this is what I'm going to show you how to make. And again, this is not going to be the Christmas in July series. It's going to be one of my DIYs towards the holidays. All right. Then I got, and all of this is going to make sense to you once you see me making things. I got this Snuggle Up White, and this was from Hobby Lobby, and it was 30% off. But it's not the eyelash yarn. That's a lot longer, but it's a little eyelash, I would say. And again, I'm going to show you all this up close and personal when we get started. Then, lastly, I just got some ribbon while it was on sale, and one looks like burlap and it says Noel. The other one has deer and Christmas trees, and then the last one is some lace. All of this is going to be included in my Christmas DIYs and Christmas in July. So I just wanted to come on, be with you for a few minutes. I always miss when I'm not being able to see you and talk to you and just hang out with you guys for a while. You know, you guys have become very much a part of my life, and so when I am not on and I don't get to interact with you, it drives me nuts. So I always have to come on at some point and say hi. I will be starting lives. I have ordered my tripod for my phone, and as soon as I get that, we're going to try this live business. Wish me luck. Okay guys, you take care, and I want you to remember this, and don't ever forget it. The world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget that. It's the truth. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.